our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Students, good afternoon, students. This is your GK subject, a small revision about the GK. Children, this topic, the world of business, is a small puzzle, children. All clues I'll be telling you, and I'll be telling you the answers which is already written over there. Now across you can see there the first clue, Mac is a family of personal computers made by this company, and it is called what do you say, Apple. Okay, then 5, Corolla and Etios are the car brands belonging to the Japanese company, and here the answer tells us Toyota. And the maker of PlayStation video game products, here that is Sony. And then the Australian maker of cricket equipment, also a singing bird, that is Kookaburra. Okay, and then the 9th one, a publisher that even made the book you are holding now, that is Macmillan. So this was all the puzzle answers of across. Now we'll see down puzzle clues. For number 1, a Swiss company that makes yummy things such as Maggie. Okay, so that I think you all like that is Nestle, and everybody likes to eat Maggie, and that is in our country also, in our country India also, children, we have seen Nestle company is making that. Then second number clue is given, a company from Sweden that makes buses and truck, that is Volvo. Then you all must be traveling by that buses, okay, especially from one place state to other state. Then fourth clue, a book publisher, that is also the name of a bird found in Antarctica. Okay, so that is the answer number 7, which we can say it is penguin. Okay, it is name of a one bird also, and children, and it is the name of a book publisher also. Then 8th clue is a shoemaker from Germany that has 3 striped logo. Okay, and that is Adidas. Okay, you must have all heard it very often. The cricketers are using this kind of sports shoes for the cricket game also. And the 10th clue, a successful Indian IT company is Infosys. Okay, so this was a small type of world of business puzzle, children, which I just now solved it, and I told you the clues also and the answers also. Let us see in the next clip what it is. Children, the next topic is about the superheroes, which you all like to see on the as a cartoon also and in the movie also. So we all will be loving this topic also. Let us see. There are fill in the blank and the answers are given in the bracket. The first one, ability to climb walls, swing from building to building, and ability to shoot spider web, Spider-Man, which you all love. Then second one, power of stretching and compressing hands, legs and neck, and shape shifting, that is Miss Marush. Okay, Miss Marvel, sorry. Okay, then third one, superhero soldier with super strength, agility, and reflexes, is Captain America. And the fourth one is superhuman strength, ability to fly, and X-ray, that is Superman. Okay, so again, this was a very interesting topic which we all love. Let us see the next topic also, which we have done before also. Just and recap and revision, will be doing that. Okay, let us see the next topic, that is regarding Indian rivers. Children, we all know in our India we have so many different kind of rivers and their names also. So by looking at the rivers, we come to know that so many rivers are there. See, they have given the names also. The name of this river means son of Brahma, that is Brahmaputra. Okay, then the Taj Mahal is on the banks of this river. This river is near the Taj Mahal, so the name of that river is Yamuna. The most sacred river of India, where you can see river dolphin, is river Ganga. Then this river forms a natural boundary between the south of India and the north of India. So that river name is Narmada, which belongs to sea and the south side. Then next one, the states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu share the water of this river. So that is Kaveri river, children. Then next river name is the name of a country name from the name of this river. Our country name is India, and that country name was Indus. Okay, that country also, that river also we have. Let's see the other topic, children, which we have already done it. A small recap of that topic also. Okay. Now, children, flightless bird. I think you all love the small birds to see, and these birds are very different. Why it is different, let us see. As I told you that the flightless bird, the bird usually have wings, but their wings are smaller and not fully developed like the bird that fly. Okay, that's why they are called flightless bird. They cannot fly very high. Let us see one by one. The first one is penguin, children. Penguins are aquatic flightless bird. They catch their food such as fish and krill from under the water. Then second bird is what do you say, ostrich. Okay, the often consider the world's largest flightless bird, and is the ostrich, and is found in Africa. It has strong legs. And the next bird which you can see on the picture, that is cassowary. Okay, now regarding this bird, they want to tell us, children, this bird is found, it is very dangerous bird among all the bird what we have mentioned just now, and the bird name is cassowary, and is found on the northeastern coast of Australia. Okay, so this was also about the beautiful bird. And then one more bird we can see on the screen is kiwi, children, which we have seen the name of the bird also, and you must have heard the name of a fruit also, but this is specially about the name of a bird. Now this bird is a national bird of New Zealand, and it is small in size. Okay, and it is mostly a nocturnal bird. Nocturnal bird means the bird comes out especially at night to eat some food or anything, whatever he wants. So this was also a small recap of flightless bird. Let's see the next topic, which is again very interesting topic. And as I told you, entomins, children, everybody knows entomins. Is the other meaning of entomin is opposites also, like we have seen so many times. You have got to know about the entomins in the grammar also, children, you have learned. So it is very easy. You have to just select from the bracket the answer. Select the correct entomin from below bracket. New, old. Okay, then second, long, answer is short. Then third, the entomin happy, you are going to write the answer sad. The entomin bad, you are going to write the answer good. The entomin black, the answer is white. The entomin day, the answer is night. The entomin 7, the number is given true, and the answer is false. The entomin full, empty. Entomin heavy, light. Entomin fat, thin. An entomin noisy, quiet. An entomin big, small. So this was also interesting, and which is very useful for you all in the grammar also, children. Whenever you write any grammar subject paper, if the entomins are given to you, it will be very helpful to you also. So again, it is a small recap of this also, revision. Okay, thank you, children.